guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little bit of a vlog for you all today and a little bit of cleaning and just talking about what's going on. Nate is in school right now. He passed his EMT class. Well, he is state certified. He's a state certified EMT, but now he has to pass his national test. So that, I believe, is next week. Hi, buddy.
I want your purse.
You want my purse?
Yes.
What do you think you're gonna do with my purse?
Oh.
That was a maniacal laugh. Okay, anyways. So Nate is going to be taking his national registry test, I think, next week. And his birthday was on Monday. And of course we had Easter, which was a lot of fun. We went to his family, his sister's house in Somerset and hung out with family. And then that night, Landon actually ended up staying the night with his mom. And so we got to go and have like a dinner by ourselves to celebrate his birthday. But the thing that sucked was that, of course, it was Easter, so we didn't have very many choices of places to go because everything was closed. So we ended up going to Malone's, and it was really, really good. Like we went to the Harry's bar that's attached to it here in Lexington, and it was really good. So that was fun. What? So a few minutes ago I asked Landon if he wanted to clean, and his reaction was to get everything he owns out.
Hi.
He's been sick today. Just like what I think is probably allergies. His nose has just been really runny, and he's like rubbing his face a lot. But he's starting to act like he feels a little bit better, especially since he went to all the trouble to pull all of his toys out. So, do you feel better, Landon?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
If you don't know, who knows?
No.
No one? But like, I don't know if you can see, it's like, why are you rubbing your tongue? Does that make it feel better?
I don't know.
No? Okay.
This is not blue.
Okay. There's balloons everywhere because it was Nate's birthday, and I blew them up and just put them everywhere.
Terrible.
It's terrible?
Yeah.
Oh. The balloons?
Yeah, it's all blue.
Oh, okay.
Go right here.
And I was trying to change him out of his jammies, but he won't let me. But whenever you're sick, you kind of like to be in your jammies all day. Do you want to put on your sweatpants, though, and a t-shirt? So this is like, it's really messy in here, but of course it is because we've been playing. And it's actually really pretty bright outside. I just realized I don't have the light on. That'd probably be good if I turn the light on. Oh my goodness. What did you find? Are those your shoes?
Yeah.
Those are your shoes?
Yeah.
I don't know. Those kind of look like mine.
They're like mine.
They're yours?
Look.
I see them. Wow. They look great with your outfit. Those are awesome shoes. Should we clean in those shoes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
They are dirty.
They're dirty on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yes, they are.
I need to wash all these.
Yeah, that's why we don't touch the bottom of our shoes, and we really don't need to walk on the carpet with them. Can you go put them back by the door? Though you look really cute in those. So work has been pretty busy this week, and of course Landon's felt kind of yucky, and it's just, I feel like this week has gone by kind of fast and slow at the same time. I don't know. Everything has felt off this week. Do you ever have those weeks where you're just like, nothing feels normal? I don't know. But I'm excited that it's Thursday and tomorrow is finally Friday. And I was supposed to go to my aerial class tonight, but with Landon feeling kind of yucky and Nate having a pretty big test or quiz tomorrow, I didn't really want to leave him and go and then feel like I didn't cook dinner and I didn't get stuff done tonight and let him have that chance to study while Landon's still up. So I figure hopefully I can get to a class this weekend. We are supposed to have snow this weekend, which is completely unbelievable because it was 75, almost 80 degrees 2 days ago, and we're supposed to get several inches of snow, I think, tomorrow night going into Saturday. So I am not looking forward to that. I mean, I love the snow, but I'm ready for spring. Like, it's spring. It's supposed to be spring. Like, I'm watching my neighbor right now try to start his lawnmower. I'm like, why would we even bother yet? Like, who cares? So, yeah. Let's see, what else is going on? I have been working on my website a little bit. I'm trying to decide exactly, I'm sure you can probably hear the mower now. I'm trying to decide exactly what I want to be focusing on with my blog and my YouTube channel and my Instagram, because I feel like I kind of try to put all of those things together and share the same content across all three of them. And I feel like maybe that's not what everybody wants. You know, I feel like a lot of my Instagram subscribers aren't interested in grocery hauls and things like that, but maybe more of my YouTube subscribers are. So I'm really trying to figure out where, like, what I want to share and where. And like, I really want to do more outfit and fashion type posts even on YouTube here. Does he have the lawnmower?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, you have a lawnmower.
And you have a lawnmower?
Yeah.
You sure do.
At the grass.
Yeah.
At the grass.
He's gonna cut the grass? Yeah. So I want to do that on here too, but I haven't figured out the right way. Like, whenever I first started posting some videos on YouTube, if you go back, you'll see them. I kind of tried to do like little lookbook type videos where I didn't really like say anything. I just like filmed myself like wearing a dress and like, you know, spinning around or whatever. I mean, they were kind of silly, but I had fun with them. Like, of course I had fun with them. I love getting dressed up and documenting it or whatever, but I haven't figured out how I want to quite do that on YouTube yet, or what the best way is. So maybe I could just have like a what I wore diary and film that and talk about the pieces and why I put them together, and maybe just a little more in-depth addition to my outfit posts on my blog. I don't know. Just thinking about it. So there's that. And then I hit 100 subscribers today on YouTube, and I am so excited. I know that is like the most minuscule goal ever. I know that. I know. But it's something, right? Like, I really only started posting consistently a month or two ago, maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I know I was posting in December, but not very consistently. So I'm pretty pumped about having 100 subscribers. You guys rock, and thanks for watching my videos. Seriously, like, I know that I don't have that like exciting of a life. I just enjoy doing this, and I just enjoy documenting things, and I love the creative aspect of it where you edit videos and edit your pictures and do the voiceovers and the little transitions. I'm still having fun learning about all of the programs that I use and just all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here and just say a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed. I was trying to figure out a cool giveaway to do. I'm still brainstorming. I really didn't think I was gonna hit 100 as fast as I did. That was like a goal I had maybe set for the end of April, so I haven't figured that out yet, but stay tuned. So thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my videos.